Hello and welcome to the Daily Digestion channel, and welcome back to another video. So today, guys, we are starting our new year out right. We started our day, this is the 2nd of January. We started our day out with the orange juice, lime, and cleanse. And then we had an apple, and we're out here at the Rock Creek Falls National Cherokee Forest, which, guys, I have to say, this place is amazing. As you can see, it's absolutely beautiful this time of the year. There's lots of rhododendrons. See the gorgeous rhododendrons, and it's just absolutely gorgeous. And we're just, the oxygen, the first thing that I noticed, check that out. First thing I noticed when we came out here was the air quality. It was just truly phenomenal. Like, you could just tell such a difference. I mean, it's just like, oh my gosh, you like breathe and it's just so fresh. There's lots of waterfalls here. I'm loving these eye-popping green moss trees and the edging of rocks. It's just absolutely beautiful. But it's just truly amazing out here. I'm like, why don't I come out here more? Because, well, it just so happened to be, it's winter, but we're starting to get some warm days again. So it's kind of weird. It goes cold, warm, and then it starts to go cold, and then warm, and then cold, and then warm, and then a little bit of warm, and then cold for a long time. But it's just absolutely gorgeous out here. It truly, truly is. And it's just absolutely beautiful. Absolutely beautiful. And I'm following Charles. He was very reluctant to come up here, but it's really nice. And I had an apple before I started on the trail, and then I actually had a granola bar, which was not raw, but I just was really hungry. I don't know why, but I just was. Typically, I would not be that hungry, but I did a lot of stuff this morning. I did a lot of cleaning, and I knew that I was probably going to need that for the trail. Now, we could actually go to Rattlesnake Trail, but I don't think we will. Charles. But yeah, so it's really nice out here. It's absolutely gorgeous. We're coming into the sunshine. The sun is coming out. I knew it was going to be partly cloudy today. And they started blasting the chemtrail spray first thing this morning. And I was like, oh, wow, what a great way to start the morning. But that's typical for Monday mornings around here. And, it's just one of those things. But I love the trees out here because they're so tall. And this is called Unaka Mountain. It's part of the National Cherokee Forest Reserves. And it really is just the horse of a different color. You know what I'm saying, guys? Like, it's just truly amazing. And there's lots of waterfalls and creeks. It's called Rock Creek Falls. And I honestly believe that Indians lived here at one time, and they probably had some villages here, because this would be the perfect place. Like, there's all these places to take a bath, and it's just really, really neat. like if you were an Indian, like you could drink water and, have water and go to the bathroom and, just keep clean and just all kinds of things. Wash your clothes in the water and so forth. But we're coming upon a bridge. I was wanting to show you guys some waterfalls because the falls are really nice and the creek is nice. It really is beautiful. Hey, what are you doing? I don't know why he does that sometimes. But check that out. There, see the fern there, and that is actually poison oak going up that tree. And guys, you would not want to get into that poison oak. It would not be nice. It would not be nice at all. We're almost to some of the little creek falls. Well, actually, the waterfalls are up towards the mountain up there, and we just got back off of those, and I'll try to put some pictures up. I can't do that because I'm out of storage space on my iMovie. I need to really figure out how to do that, like store my videos. I always start to do it, and then something always gets in the way. But there's lots of oxygen here. It's just truly amazing. Fresh air. Lots of fresh air, which is what I'm really digging right now. It is the fresh air. Now that's a wild looking tree. Looks like a little gnome lives in there. Okay, we're about to one of the spots. Oh gosh, I bet I'm shaking the camera like crazy. Okay, here we are. Now this is a nice little spot. Now guys, the air quality here is truly something else. Be careful, Charles, you can't go down in there. It smells so sweet, like the air just, I can't really describe it. It's fresh. It's nice, fresh air. But, so we've seen a rattlesnake on this trail. I have seen a big black snake on this trail. And, that's about it as far as that goes. There's a nice little spot you can get in the water and hang out. And this is my favorite Rock Creek Falls. I love to come out here and go camping. It's truly amazing. Check this out. This is like kind of yellow, wild looking. But yeah, I love to come out here and I love to camp and stay. It's a real treat. There's lots of trees that they've cut down that have fallen, but you're pretty much able to get fallen wood and stuff for your camp. campsite. I mean, it's very cool here, and nobody comes here that much. It's like a safe place. You know what I mean, guys? Like, this is a place that families come and they let their kids just run around, and everybody just kind of minds their own business and stays to themselves. It's not very crowded. It's not very big. It's very low key. It's always clean. It's just really nice. It's like, I feel like that this is the place that nobody knows about. Like, in this area, in the Tri-Cities, like, I feel like nobody knows about this place. And if they do, they just never go. But it is something else. That's for sure. So guys, I hope you enjoyed this video, and I will see you in the next one. Thanks for watching, and go find a creek.